The question we have here, we are to find the derivative of these brackets, the natural logarithm of x over. That's what we have there. So what we do in this case, we're going to rewrite this. We're going to write this as this. That's what we're going to do. And I can use the ddx. I can call it prime. I put prime on it. Okay. And this involves two functions being multiplied together. Okay. Being multiplied together. And that will call for product rule. We're going to use a product rule to solve this. And this will be equal to, you can, and don't forget this one over x is x minus 1. So please note that. So let's differentiate that while we keep this one constant. Okay, and if you like, you can call this one u. Okay, let's u be equal to this, which is this one. We can get the u the x that will be equal to minus 1 times x to power. We go to the front, then that same expression, the power of that expression, minus 1, that's minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. And this will give you minus 1 over this one. Okay, then we can also make v, let v be equal to this function. Then you can get your the v dx, the v dx, which will be equal to what? We differentiate x with respect to itself, and that's 1 over the function itself. Okay, so you can now apply your product rule. So product rule says that you keep says that if you have two functions, and each of them are functions of x, keep one constant, then you differentiate the second one, and then plus the one you are differentiating here, you keep it constant, and you differentiate the other functions, and that's what we call the product rule. So begin to make substitutions to the relevant variable. So the answer will now become so we're going to have my u is what? My u is 1 over x. The derivative of v is this one also, and plus my v is what? My v logarithm to base e, logarithm to base e, and then my u respect to x, that's minus 1 over x squared. That's what we have there. Okay, so this will be equal to, if you combine these two together, we have this minus 1 over x squared, natural logarithm of x. Then you can then the next thing to do, final answer, the answer will be equal to x squared is coming, take it out, so we have 1 minus what? 1 minus natural logarithm. So the final answer will be equal to x squared is common. Okay, so that will be 1 minus natural logarithm of the function x. And that's the answer for that question. Okay, at the same time, you can stop here if you want to. You can stop here, and if you like, you can proceed to this place. And okay, so that's on that questions. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share the links across your different platform. Share it massively on your different platform. Thank you. See you in the next video.